Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to tear down your Flash Power Mop. It's not as easy as you may think, but once I show you how to do it, it is then very straightforward. We're only taking apart this part here, but this will give you access to the motor and also the pipes as well. So maybe one of the wires is broken, the motor might be playing up, you might have got some sort of liquid damage inside here. And rather than throwing it away, it might be a nice straightforward one to fix. So what we're going to do to begin with is we're going to take out the batteries by just sliding this part up here. So now the batteries are out, and we're going to take the liquid out from here. So we're going to press this button here and that will release it. It's got a self-sealing lid on the top. Now as far as screws, we've got 3 screws that we need to undo. They're all Phillips, one is just located here. So we're just going to undo this one first. And we have 2 located just in here. So we will have one here and one just here. So let's undo those 2 as well. They're both Phillips. Now, although the screws are fully undone, they're still hard to actually take out. They kind of like to stay in there. So I'm going to get some long nose pliers just to try to ease them out. There we go, that's one. And I'm just going to grab the other one here. Here. Right, now this is where you need a technique to be able to take this bit off here. So have it where the button is facing you here. And what we need to do is we need to lift up on this front part here, like that. You heard it just unclip. Press the button in and then use this bit here to pull. We need to pull this towards the handle of the mop and then it will unclip. So lift this up here and pull. There we go. And we have now managed to lift it. The reason you have to lift it towards the handle is because not only have you got this foot here that fits into here, you've also got this part here, this lip that goes around this bit here. So that's why you have to pull it this way. Now, as you can see, you have your motor here, you've got your wires here which go up to the handle, and you've got your pipe work which goes down to the 2 front bits just here and here. So if you find that these are blocked and you can't seem to clean them from here, then you've got an option to undo the pipe from the bottom of the motor here, and then hopefully you might be able to clear the blockage by blowing something through from that way. So yeah, that is it. That's how to get access to the motor and the wires. Now to put it back together, we need to make sure that basically this part, this tube is going to go on the left hand side here so it doesn't get trapped in anything. You've got to locate this part in the hole, and the way you want to have it is you want to have it so when it flops down this way, that this pattern bit is where the button is here. Now we need to put this in, locate the foot just in here. It's easier if you just lift this off the ground like so. So locate the foot in here, and we need to get this side in first. And can you see there's a little bit here and also a little bit here? You need to make sure that they go inside these bits. So I'm going to push down and you can see that they're inside here and inside here. And now we're going to push forward while keeping that down there. You might find it easier if you push down the button here and then lock it into place. There you go. Yeah, so that's gone forward now. The foot's gone in there and this bit is now locked into this bit here. And it's in position. So we now need to do up the 2 screws here and here and the screw at the bottom. These screws are quite hard to get to, so if you use a little bit of blue tack on the top of your screw just to locate it, and then once you put them in here you can give it a few little turns and take the blue tack off. Take the blue tack off and now just screw up like you would do normally. Clockwise clearly. And we're going to do up the screw just here. And there we go, everything is back in place now and everything lines up nicely. We're going to put this back in. And we're going to put our batteries back in. And hopefully now that you've repaired your wires or sorted out whatever the problem is, that you will have it working again. You can see it coming out there. So that's it, that's how to tear down the Flash Power Mop. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.